couple by the sunset. Here we go. So I'm starting with a little purple here to get this thing started as the sky. Using a flat angle brush here, and mixing it with white a little bit. Watch till the end for a bonus feature, of course, and just slowly blending things in with white. And as it gets lighter and lighter, the sunset, making sure that all the colors blend in. Here, I'm gonna add a little bit more white to this, of course, and let's see how it goes. And as it slowly transitions into a little yellow action here. Just nice and easy. One thing to remember is that keeping things, all this paint a little bit as thin as possible is the key here as we try to add some accent. Sunset, a little bit of red, of course, here, just blending things in. Blends out a little more details here. You don't have to do this, but I add more perspective clouds here. Okay, here let's start working on the ocean with this flat brush, and just adding whatever the dark blue that you have. Just kind of back and forth here. You can use ultramarine blue, but in this case I've set a really dark blue in my hand, so I'm just gonna start to fill this real estate, blending it in back and forth, just nice and easy. And make sure these oceans are kind of dark since it's the sunset setting, and added some highlight, orange highlight, a little bit of white, just to indicate ocean waves forming in the distance. And let's see what we're doing here. I'm just gonna add a little bit more. And here, this is a knitting needles that I got from Hobby Lobby the other day, and just kind of scratching action right here. Just kind of a little bit scratching it and making sure some colors underneath it kind of shows through. You'll see why in the end. And adding some little more scratching action, just a little bit more highlights in the distance in the ocean. You can go really detailed if you like, but adding some island here, of course, a little bit of red sunset as it reflects on the mountain. And let's see, yeah, starting to add the silhouette, like black color, to this couple. Let's start with a little bench here, just a silhouette of a bench, an outline of a human being, just a little man and a woman sitting next to each other. Long distance relationships, and today is the final day they get to spend some quality time with each other. And as they talk and watch the sunset, just as they look forward to building maybe a better future together someday, And here we are, a little unmasking. As you can see, I tore up this part of the mask just to get rid of that flat line look that I don't really like, but it's up to you. You don't have to do this. And signing my name off here a little quick. Yeah. Okay, so here we are, the final piece that I made for you, completed, as this couple admires the sunset as they cherish this quality time that they spend together here. And this place was actually inspired by this place, Treasure Island Park here in Laguna Beach here. And I highly recommend it if you get a chance to visit this. But getting back to this place, a little LED action that I made. If you can stick around, I'll show you how I was able to create this piece as a bonus. But okay, let's turn it back on here. Okay, and turn it back off again. There you go. So looks pretty good at nighttime here as the sun sets. Bye for now. Okay, so here is the LED light, as you can see, that I used. There are a lot of lots of lights in here, so I just cut out one of them and hot gluing it together. As you can see, the secret to this here is to put a little distance between the light and back of this canvas. As you can see, I don't know if you can see it, but it's important to keep that distance so it lights up the whole area evenly. And here's a little Velcro sticker that I got from Home Depot. I cut it out into this small size to attach this to the back of this.